Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to be comparing the fast charger to DeWalt's other chargers. So this is a really nice fast charger that comes with a little fan that'll kick on, and it claims it can do 80% charge in 45 minutes on a 9 amp hour battery. And so of course it does the 80% charging and then it turns to a trickle charge, so that's why. But anyway, this is the one that we're using today. You can see the UPC here if you want to try to look that one up online. I'll check the video description as well. I'll put this for my Amazon link. And this does do the flex volt batteries as well. Even a regular charger will, but this is built to help charge them up a lot faster. So this is kind of a lineup of the different batteries, at least the ones that I have. And so as you can see, the smallest battery here has kind of a small charger. And so that's going to be the DeWalt DCB1112. And then as you move up, you have the other 20 volt battery that's a little bit bigger. And so we have two of these that will be charging against each other today. And its is the DCB113. And then you have the XR, or extended runtime. It comes with a bigger charger, slightly bigger than the other one, the DCB115. And finally, the one that we're testing today, which they say is good for the flex volt batteries, and it'll do all the other ones too that are 20 volt. And so this is the one we're doing today, DCB1112. And so we're going to see how they stack up. So I have two of these bigger 20 volt ones, and as you can see, I ran them completely dead with the leaf blower that I have. So we're going to see how they go head to head and how they charge. So I decided we're going to use the battery charger they come with and just put them up against the new fast charger. So we went ahead here and started them off at the same time, and I got the stopwatch running. So the time that I started them was about 3:12 in the afternoon. And so I went ahead as well and just started the stopwatch so that we could kind of get a side-by-side comparison. So we'll go ahead and let these run. And I did sit next to these the entire time, and so I got a good idea of how this went. So 14 minutes in, I was checking them, and so this one had charged up to 2 bars, and this one was already on to 3 bars. So doing pretty well. And you may know that you charge 80% of the way really quickly, and then the last goes to a trickle charge. So here we are at 16 minutes. And still flashing on both of these. We actually went solid on this one, so now it's into the stage 2. So if you look on here, stage 1 charging is the first blinking light. Stage 2, which is probably more like the trickle charge setting, and when the pack is charged, they'll both be solid. And on this battery, we're still it just flashes and then it'll turn solid when it's done charging. So that's just how the different light systems work on these. So I was pretty amazed. Right at about 25 minutes, the fast charger was done with the battery. And so I checked the other battery, and however accurate this is, it was still showing that it was 2 bars charged. So it still had quite a ways to go before it would even go into the trickle charge phase and slow down from there. So 25 minutes is pretty quick, I'd say, for this battery. I was pretty impressed with it. 42 minutes in, we're still sitting over here with this one charging, and it was now at least showing the 3 bars, so it was probably turning on to the trickle charge stage around then. And so here we are, 50 minutes, exactly double the charge time as the fast charger, and we're still kind of floating away here waiting for this one to be done. And so here we are, 1 hour 27 seconds in, still waiting for the other charger to finish charging the battery. And so the final charge time, it finally did go solid, 1 hour 2 minutes and 20 some odd seconds, somewhere around there. So compared to 25 minutes on the other one, the fast charger just did a way better job. So I'm excited to see how it does on the flex volt. My flex volt battery took like several hours to charge, like 5 hours. So I'm going to be excited to see next time it's dead how long it takes on the fast charger. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have a playlist for all the other tool review videos that I've done, and I'll add more videos to it. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.